We are walking towards the Brooklyn Bridge now. We are actually coming from the Brooklyn side. There's two ways to go to the Brooklyn Bridge. You can actually come from the Manhattan side or the Brooklyn side. So it's going to be challenging if you are coming here with cars because looking for parking is very hard here. It is always recommended to visit Brooklyn Bridge using public transportations. You can always take subways, AC or number 2, 3, 4, 5 or FR. So always check with Google Maps. So whether you are a New Yorkers or visitors, we are now at Brooklyn. This is one of the places that you should visit and come. It's a nice place to take pictures and hang out with families. This is Brooklyn Bridge. So that's Brooklyn Bridge. It's very fun. If you are here, either you're a tourist or you're a local, make sure to come here and enjoy a beautiful day at Brooklyn Bridge with your family and friends. Once you're there, you'll find a lot of souvenirs. They do sell souvenirs and also photo booth for you to take pictures as well. Now you don't be surprised, you'll find a lot of photographers there too. They might take a lot of photo for you and charge you, a little bit more expensive. So make sure when you're here, bring your cameras, take picture with your own cell phones, and don't be shy to ask someone around you to take pictures. So a few tips: take picture for them and ask them to do a favor, take picture for you and your family. We're now on the second locations. We're currently at the Brooklyn Bridge Park. Let's go. This is the Dumbo area, very popular for people to take pictures here. As you can see, they're so crowded. Check this out. Very popular. Tourists, New Yorkers, Sicilians even like to take pictures here. If you don't know, we are also photographers here. We take a lot of wedding pictures, engagement pictures, maternity pictures in this area too. So we are Rainiers Photography. Might as well check our website. Put the link in the box description below. This is the carousels. They have a very nice place here if you want to play. I think it's cost about $2 per person. Another great place for you to go is on top of their marketplace. They have a rooftop. Yeah, so make sure you come here. It's on the 5th floor. You will see a lot of beautiful view here. Check this out. Wow, look at the moon. That's lovely. So this is the rooftop. You can see the carousel, Brooklyn Bridge Park, and the moon. So if you're hungry, Brooklyn Bridge Park does have a lot of restaurants. I'm gonna show you the marketplace and other places for you to choose. Let's go! Time Out Market, New York. So let's see what they have here. Wow, thank you sir. Wow, looks so cool. Okay, so this is the market. They do have a lot of food here. Let's check out what they have. That's the Thai food area. Thai food, guys. You want to try Thai food? This is the Arab Latin cuisine. Oh, check this out. This is the Japanese food. Let's see what they have here. Ooh, that ramen looks very yummy. They also have non-vegan food here. Vegetarian. If you are vegetarian, check this place out. Vegetarian. Sushi. Oh, they closed. Donut, everyone. Whoa. Ice cream area. Cannoli bar. Bagels. Wow, more sweets. Woo. Bombay to Brooklyn. Is it Indian food? It is Indian food. Wow, check this out. It looks interesting. Oh, look at that. This is more like Italian food.
American?
American? Ah. Wow. That's the sandwich area here, guys. Look at the sandwiches. Whoa. To end our day at Brooklyn Bridge Park, we had our dinner at Shake Shack Burger. Price is affordable and burger is delicious. Make sure to visit Brooklyn Ice Cream Factory. They are located across the Shake Shack Burger. They have an amazing and delicious ice cream. Thanks again for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and consider to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!